bets on how many we're going to have left. Morning, hello.
Come here, Dave. There you go. You want to wait?
Alright, so where we let's just decide what the race is.
There, you're going to get the tower.
Alright. Onto the tower. Alright. Ready? Steady, go! Well done! Alright, you ready? Steady, rock! Go! Ah, shit! That was right in my line of sight. Sweet! That was synchronization or what? Ah, fuck! Alright, on your marks, get set, go! Ah, fuck. On your marks, get set, bake! Ah, for fuck's sake. Something broke again. Yeah, probably. Steady, go! Guys doing the challenge. Start from up here, hit that over there, and you got to clear the fence. Oh. 1 minute. Oh! Oh! Well done, mate. Oh!